Hey guys, how's everybody doing? It's Nora, the Stock Explorer, guys. We're gonna go live and talk about the stock market. First day of October, guys. First day of October. You can get your budget in order, guys. Get out of that margin if you're margined out in the stock market. Okay? That is what we're gonna talk about. How to navigate October like a champ, guys. How to navigate October, because it's gonna be tricky. It's gonna be tricky, guys. How's everybody doing out there? Got Nora, the Stock Explorer, on here. We're gonna look at some stonks. Guys, I'm glad to have you here. Don't forget to smash the like button. I got Leroy from 40 and Broke here. He's gonna help me out with the live stream. He is gonna help me out. Hopefully you guys are seeing me and hearing me good. Hey, what's going on, Charlene? What's up, Trisha? Had a flat tire on the mower. Oh, nobody getting mowed today. Oh, that's a bummer. Oh, happy Friday. I know that's right. I can turn the music up just a bit. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. Oh, wow. How's that? Is that better? I want you guys to hear the jams a little bit, guys. Happy Friday. Thank you, Charlene Heel. She is a YouTuber. Hopefully you guys can see the chat there. You can see the chat. We're going to look at Webull. This is the Webull desktop. If you like Webull, check out the link in my descriptions. You can get your 2 free stocks for signing up for Webull. All you have to do is fund your account, which I would highly recommend, guys. There are so many stocks out here that are on sale. There are a lot of stocks on sale right now, guys. Perfect. All right. Thank you, Leroy. You are the man. Check out Leroy's channel, 40 and Broke. He does finance, he even does a few fun videos. I got him to try out the Mountain Dew. Speaking of which, Pepsi is at a great price this morning. Let's look at Pepsi. PEP, great dividend stock to have. Great dividend stock to have in your portfolio. Pepsi's sitting at 150.30. That's a great buy-in price for Pepsi. PepsiCo. They own Mountain Dew, they do Pepsi, they own Frito-Lay, all those Lay's chips that you guys love. Pepsi owns all of that. Not only that, but Pepsi is going to be collaborating with Beyond Meat to bring you guys some meat alternative snacks, probably some beef jerky type snacks and things like that. So I'm excited to see what they come up with. The platform seems hard to me. Do they have a tutorial? Yeah, there's tons of tutorials for a beginner. If you're a beginner, I would highly recommend that you go ahead and buy one of the blue chip stocks, which would be like, for a good example, Pepsi, or just buy an ETF, which is like a basket of stocks. That way you get exposure to many stocks with your money. You can start out slow and just build up as you build up your knowledge about the stock market, guys. Just because you have money to invest doesn't mean you want to throw it all in at once. I like throwing my money in on red days. Yesterday, towards the end of the day, it got a little red. And today, yeah, towards the end of the day, we might see some red. Those are buying opportunities, guys. Those are buying opportunities. I'm going to turn this down in my head a little bit. There we go. Okay. Hopefully you guys can still hear it though. Hopefully you guys can still hear it. Who else do we have? Oh, hey, we got Dixie Cuddles Fitness. Dixie Cuddles Fitness, she does fitness videos, guys, and she does them from her house, and she's focused in on how you can work out in your house pretty much for free in smaller spaces. If you have an apartment, whatever, all you got to do is play Dixie videos and follow along. She does kickboxing, she does cardio, she does everything. And she's got a lot of videos lined up there for you guys. Just go ahead over to her channel and give her a subscribe. Okay, hey, we got Life or Debt. Hey, what's up, Pirate Stephanie? We got Life or Debt. I just got paid my first dividends. Get it, girl. I know that's right. Now, when you get dividends on a stock, sometimes it's every month, sometimes it's 4 times a year, guys. And what you want to do is get in before the ex-dividend date. Once you buy the stock, you want to buy a day before the ex-dividend date, and then they usually pay out the next month, and you can either reinvest those dividends, which is called DRIP, or you can just, get paid and use that cash to invest in other stocks or buy more of the same stock, right? So it's good stuff, guys. You can't beat it when you're making money while you sleep. You can't beat that, and dividend stocks will do that for you. Yeah, that's awesome, man. That's awesome. Big shout out to Stephanie from Life or Debt. She does a cash stuffing and budgeting channel. Go ahead over and give Pirate Stephanie. I'm just joking with you, Stephanie, but I don't think you mind us calling you Pirate Stephanie. Check out her video she did. I think it was a treasure hunt video. That was cool. So yeah, I want to thank all my friends on here that have subscribed and that come back to my channel and check me out. What we have up here, let's talk about it. AMC up at the top left. What you're going to see is a nice descending wedge. If you drew a line and connected all the bottoms, and you drew a line and connected all the tops, that's a descending wedge. And usually when that happens, as it comes to the point, it's going to break out. It's like pressure building, and there's nowhere for that pressure to go. So it's either got to break up to the upside or the downside. But guys, you already know AMC's going to break to the upside, and it's just starting to do that right now. If you're not in AMC, you may want to grab yourself a couple shares of AMC. And I am not a financial advisor, guys. This is not financial advice. I am a student of the stock market, learning more and more and more every single day. I always reiterate that, guys. If you'd like to actually join a stock market academy, I always provide a link after the live stream for Capitalist Academy. You get your first month for free with the code DISCIPLINE. That is what I would recommend. I don't live off the markets, guys. I have a full-time job. I use the markets to supplement my income, however, and I've been doing very well for the past, last year I did very well, and this year I'm doing well. Even with losses, I'm still making money. Guys, you always take losses. That is part of the game. But the idea is you want to have more wins than losses, and how you do that is you manage your risk, okay? I'm out here to help you guys. I'm not out here to scam anybody. I'm out here to help you guys. And how I help you is I show you what I'm buying and what I'm selling, okay? This is not financial advice, but I'm sharing with you guys what I'm doing, okay? And I hope that helps everybody. Let's see. Passing through for a big thumbs up. Who do we have? Thank you, 77. He's got his own channel. Shout out to channel 77. Passing through for a big thumbs up. I'm at work. Thank you, sir. Appreciate you. I've been checking your channel out. Okay, she doesn't mind me call her Pirate Stephanie. That's awesome. 77 saying, hi, Charlene. Good morning, good morning. We have Mystic Budgets. Good morning. Mystic Budgets. We got another budgeting channel. She does cash stuffing. October 1st, baby, we're going to start a brand new budget. We're going to start a brand new month. If you want to get your budget on point, check out these ladies. They have it going on. Check them out and give them a subscribe. Go ahead over to Mystic Budgets and give her a subscribe, guys. Alright, the next one we have is Neo. I'm not in Neo right now. Neo's at the top right hand box. Neo has lost some steam because of everything going on in China and the fear about buying Chinese stocks. However, Neo's going full steam ahead. I don't think the Chinese government will let Neo fail at $35.81, and it's changing at every second. But at this price point, I don't think you can go too wrong with Neo. If we zoom in and we take a closer look at Neo, it looks like at this very moment in time, we are on an uptrend. See all these green candles? I'm going to point this out for you guys that have not taken a candlestick chart course or aren't familiar with candlesticks. When you get a bunch of green candles in a row, that's a good thing at this very moment, okay? But of course that could break down. One of these could turn red and it could start going the other way. However, this very short-term time frame here, this is looking bullish. Bullish means the stock is going up. Bearish means the stock's going down. I can teach you guys the basics because I feel very confident in teaching the basics, and that is terminology that you guys should all know. If you'd like to learn the stock market terminology, I have a stock market terminology video in my list, in one of my playlists. I have a playlist that's called Beginner Investor. Check out that playlist, and the stock market terminology video is in there, so you can learn all the fun lingo too, you know, what it means to the moon, and all those other stock market terms if you're brand new that you might not know what that means. Okay guys, I did a whole video on that, what all that stuff means, so that is good to know. Down here, like I said, Pepsi at 150. That's a good price for Pepsi. We got Tesla at 776. She's starting to move back up. Look at it. It's got this, making this cup pattern. Usually the cup pattern breaks down and forms a handle. And when you see the cup and handle pattern, we're usually ready to take it up a next notch. So Tesla's looking good. I think at this price, it's a great price to get in my personal opinion. We're all watching SPY, which is the S&P 500. Why do we watch SPY? Because that tells you how the entire S&P 500 is doing. Okay, that will give you a good gauge on how all the S&P 500 stocks in America, in the New York Stock Exchange, are doing. Right now we're sitting at 430. If it breaks below 430, well, we may be in some uncharted territory, guys. But right now, what we call this is holding. It's holding the line there. It's holding the support, and it could go either way as we move forward throughout the day. This is one to watch. This is very, very, very important. This is how we're going to gauge how things are going to move forward, especially on the first day of the month. You want to keep an eye on the SPY. I typically don't trade SPY because it can be very volatile. I typically don't trade the S&P 500. But if you're a brand new trader, if you want to buy shares of this, usually it's hard to beat the S&P 500 long term. Okay, it's hard to beat it. You know, if you make your own stock picks and then you compare it to how the S&P 500 has done over a course of months and years, a lot of times the S&P will have done better. It is very hard. Warren Buffett everybody tries to beat the S&P 500, but it's very, very hard to do, believe it or not. Dixie Cuddle says, I love how you present. The enthusiasm really keeps your interest and fun to watch it. Doing great. Thank you. I appreciate it. And of course, all of these can be changed. If there's a stock that you would like to look at, For example, if you want to look at Apple, I know all the ticker symbols. That's AAPL. I can just pull it up for you guys. I can just pull it up. We can have a look. That's another fantastic beginner stock. Apple is a big investor favorite because they just are such a massive company, okay? Yeah, it might have a bad day here and there, but overall, Apple, for the most part, it's going to go up for you over an extended time frame, okay? You're talking about maybe a 2, 3, 4, 5 year time horizon. You're going to be pretty solid putting your money in Apple stock. Right now it's sitting at 140.07. Not a bad price to get in Apple, especially if you're new. If you want to find a stock where you feel confident putting your money in a certain stock, I would recommend Apple would be a top pick for that. Another one would be Tesla, because Tesla is just innovating at such an extremely fast rate. He's coming out with his own robots, guys. He's coming out with his own humanoid robots. I mean, can you just imagine? Can you just imagine? Hey, Darren, the shareholder bond. What are you trading today, Darren? Darren's always hopping on, showing me a lot of support. Appreciate you. On NVAX today and Merck news. Uh-oh, what happened to NVAX? NVAX, it's a biotech. Let me see. NVAX. You saying it took a dump? Or it did good? Let's see. Oh, no, that's right. Let's have a looky-loo. NVAX today on Merck news. Oh, wait. Now that looks like it's doing good. Are you in that? Novavax. Okay, now that's moving up, guys. That's moving up. Boom! Every single day, guys, there's money to be made if you know where to look. So I guess they got some positive news. That's awesome. That's awesome. Boom! Novavax. Some people are afraid to get into the biotechs because they can go either way very, very quickly. But this is blasting off, guys. This is doing great. See all those green candles? That's a good sign. That's good. That's good. Oh, you're in a swing. Yeah, get that money. All right, nice call out. We got Steve from Disruptive Wealth Creation. Like the new. Oh, thank you, thank you. This is from LRG. I wait till they have a sale, guys, and then I get these at a great price. I got the T-shirt too. I got I'm matching today, guys. Proud of myself. I'm matching up. Thank you, Steve. I appreciate that. Guys, check out Disruptive Wealth Creation's channel. He does all, just like it says, all the disruptive stocks out there. The ones that Kathy Wood talks about. Come on, Free. Freedom's hiding behind the couch. It's okay. Go sit on the couch, you little weirdo. Hey, my doggo. My dog's like, what are you doing? Yeah, come here. Come here. Hey. Yay. It's okay. Yeah, we're just live streaming. Yeah, this is Freedom. Uh-oh, and I got the other little one behind me. She's sitting behind me. There's the squid. She's rotten. I'm going to put her back behind me. What are you guys looking at today? I don't think I'm trading anything. I'm just kind of watching how everything's playing out. Yeah, yeah, I got this t-shirt for $12.99. They put their t-shirts on sale for $12.99 a couple times a year. I bought a couple of them. You can't beat it, guys. Look at this. Look at this beautiful t-shirt. Where else are you gonna find a t-shirt for $12.99? You can't. Look at the tiger there. It's awesome. And you know, I gotta switch up the baseball hats. I gotta keep it fresh for you guys. I was in FAMI, F-A-M-I, but I slept in, so I missed the chance to sell that at a better price. So I'm still hanging on to that, watching it and seeing how that's a penny stock, guys. Though don't touch that. I think that's already had had its moment, and but I don't know. Maybe we'll have another pop today, but I definitely wouldn't recommend jumping in that at this point. So what else do we have? Like I said, I hate to pump AMC, but AMC at 39.15. I think you can make some tendies on that. I think you can definitely, with some patience, swing AMC at this price. I wouldn't buy it above 40, but it's sitting right under 40 now. That could be a day trade for you guys. Uh-oh. Speaking of the devil. Boom, look at it. Speaking of the devil, look at that big green soldier, that big green candle. Holy smokers, this ain't no jokers. Look at that. I think she's trying to blast off right as we speak, guys. There's a couple good stocks on sale out here today, guys. Another one would be CRISPR. I think I'm going to nab another share of CRISPR. Watching crypto. Oh yeah, thank you so much, Darren. Crypto. Let's have a look. Oh my gosh, absolutely. Oh, Tesla's blasting off too. But crypto, yeah, I woke up this morning and I looked at my account and I was like, okay. Because Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Bitcoin are all up on the day. They're up. Bitcoin's up 8.5% on the day. Holy smokers! Let's take a look at that. I hope I can. Let me bring these up. BTC. I don't know. Sometimes it doesn't want to let me. Okay, it's gonna let me today. Last time I tried to bring up crypto, it was acting a little wonky. Awesome. Wow, up 8.5% on the day. Sweet. Another one, Ethereum. I love Ethereum. So shout out to all my friends out here that got in Ethereum and bought that dip last week. Beautiful. Beautiful gains today. And my, of course, I gotta shout out my Doge, the Doge. Shout out to the Dogecoin Millionaire. Love watching his channel. I gotta hand it to my man. I mean, he is a frugal living expert, and he's got it going on, guys. I don't care what anybody says. This man drives a beat up old car. It's got over 100,000 miles. I mean, it is busted, and he's a millionaire essentially. Okay, that's how you have to be sometimes, man. You just gotta live beneath your means, and he is an absolute expert on living beneath your means. If you don't know who I'm talking about, check him out. He's the Dogecoin Millionaire. You just Google him. I'm sorry, just look him up on YouTube and you'll see his channel, and he's also on Twitter. Real positive guy. Sometimes he even answers my I'll chat with him in the comment section, and he'll actually answer me. He's big, but he's not so big. He's a humble dude. Sometimes he'll answer you on there. And he has merch too. He has some cool merch if you want to buy a t-shirt. He's got the Dogecoin diamond paws that's got the two little paw prints with the diamond. I'd like to get that t-shirt. It's a little on the expensive side, but I love it. And when Dogecoin pops to $1, I will definitely be heading over there to buy a t-shirt from my friend over there. I made the mistake. Darren says, I made the mistake of buying AMC over 40, waiting for it to hit 50. Yeah, I think it's going there too. I really do. Just a patience game. Some banging tune. Yeah, I love this. This guy streams these all day long. It's called Thrive Together, and he doesn't mind if you play it in the background of your YouTube. That's the idea of it. It's called Thrive Together, and if you guys want to just go ahead and give him a subscribe, you see it right there. It's the words thrive together combined without the vowels. If you finding a hard time finding it, that's why. And you can also see it here. But yeah, I like when you know, that song comes on that where it's scratching on the record. That's where I'm like, yeah, I love that. I love that one. I might have to buy a copy of that for my live stream. So yeah, look at AMC. I think your meme stocks, your small cap, high growth stocks, guys, keep an eye on those. The ones that got beat down so bad. ChargePoint, Corsair Gaming. You got Clean Spark, CLSK. You got Ag Eagle. All these great companies that just got beat down this year. I think big money's going to start cycling back into those. Alpine Ford Technologies, ALPP, fantastic, highly diversified, very successful company that's just not getting the love, but I think their day is coming very soon. Great stock to grab on the cheap here at $2.21. Alpine Ford Holdings is amazing. They do drones. They have so many different aspects of their company. They don't just do drones. They do manufacturing. They do all this other really cool stuff. Look into that company. At $2.21, that's an absolute bargain. Clean Spark's a great company too, guys, and it's just catching the beat down, but I don't think for too much longer. I think we're going to start moving up. She's up 6% on the day at $12.39. It got as high into the 20s already, guys, so it does have that potential if you have the patience to hang on to it. It does have that potential. Wow, look at Bitcoin going. Look at it. That's awesome. And of course, Dogecoin is going to follow Bitcoin. They follow each other. Thanks, Charlene. Hey, what's up? We got brainstorm challenges. I tried to hang with you guys. I almost came on, but I was so tired because I get up at like 5 in the morning, and he came on really late last night. But he had a great turnout. I think he had at least 5 people on the live stream when I logged off. Next one I'm gonna try to maybe I'll take a nap and I'll get up and I'll try to hop on your live stream brainstorm challenges. I do want one of those t-shirts, so message me, let me know how I can get one. The ones that you wear, the ones that say brainstorm challenges, I love that shirt. I would like to have one of those. And if anybody sends me a shirt from their channel, I will wear it in my live stream and give you a shout out. So that's it. There you go. Thank you guys for hanging in here. I appreciate it greatly. Guys, you always want to manage your risk. Now is a perfect time to go ahead and trim back on some of those maybe positions you may be overextended on. Go ahead and get your portfolio in a nice neat little package so you can ride through October with confidence, because I think it might be a bumpy ride. October, okay? I would say get 15 to 20% in dry powder or free cash so you can buy some dips, because I think there will be some great buying opportunities out there, and we're going to get through it just fine, guys. You just have to be prepared, and that is the best way to be prepared, is to conserve your money. Okay, you have to be able to conserve your resources, protect your capital. And how do you do that? Well, don't have everything in. You can't be ever all in. You have to have some on the side. Well, why is that? Well, it is because that is your lifeblood. That is how you do well in the stock market. That is your tool. Your tool is money. And if all your money is out there locked into different plays and the stock market goes the wrong way, you're going to be along for the ride. Now, if you have that money on the side, well, you have a lot more power now, don't you? You have a lot more power, because when it bottoms out, you can go ahead and what they call buy the dip. You can buy these stocks at a great price. So you want to have that control, and how you do that is by having that cash on the side and not being margined out. If you're borrowing money from the brokers, guys, start to scale out. It will tell you in Webull if you're in a safe trading mode. It will say you are safe or you're risky. There's a meter in there. If yours says you're risky, start de-risking it, guys. Start balancing it out. Either cover your positions or start to sell some stuff off. You don't want to be borrowing money from the brokers. Not this month, because there's just too much going on in the news and in politics. You don't want to get caught. Oh, look at Bitcoin dumping. Oh no, look at this, guys, live. Some whale just dumped a bunch of Bitcoin. Holy smoke, look at that red candle there. Uh-oh, same with Doge. Now, this just shows you how manipulated it is. That would have to be a whale to move it that dramatically. Holy smoke, look at that dump. Look at that. Wow. Look at this is live. Look at that. Whoa, it's what I call the Dumperoonie McFatty. I love catching these moments live on the live stream. Holy smoke. Look at that. Somebody just dumped their Bitcoin. Holy smokers. This ain't no jokers. Be careful, guys. Be careful. Be careful. Don't be all in. You see how fast that happened? Oh, they're trying to fight back up. People are buying the dip. People are buying the dip. Oh my God, it's crazy. It's just crazy, man. The way I do it is just whatever I'm putting in, you know, I'm just trying to put it in and lock it in long term. You can swing trade it though. Don't get me wrong. You can swing trade it, but this is the type of stuff that makes people nervous, right? When you're watching something like that, that's a whale right there selling. And you see how they all follow each other too. They just follow each other to the T. It's like they're all connected. But anyway, I'm gonna wrap up the live stream. It was great to connect with everybody on here. It was amazing. I appreciate all the support. I hope my friend out there, Trisha, you get your mower tire fixed and get back rocking and rolling. You guys are the bomb. They come out here and mow my grass. The two ladies out there crushing it, running their own business. You gotta love that. Girl power. So, extra large brainstorm XL. I'll let me know how I can get your email, and then where I can chat with you on Instagram, I think, maybe, and we can exchange information. I wear men's XL because, you know, it gives me room to move around. So yeah, if you send me one, I will definitely wear it on my live stream. I appreciate that. Alright, thank you everybody for joining me. Appreciate you greatly. Don't forget to smash the like button, and afterwards, cycle back and leave a comment in the comment section of the live stream so people